Hey, it's Jay Will back with another quick video update. A lot of people been DMing me asking me to do a ClickBank case study. So I started the case study last night. I set up a campaign and I just recently made a sale. So I'm gonna update you guys. All right, let's swing over here to the marketplace. The product I'm promoting is called Research Weight Loss Offer. Just made a sale today. This is the landing page I'm using right here. We go over here to reporting. Today is the 30th of January. Click on today. So far I got 11 clicks to my hot link, 8 to the order form. I made one sale for 79. I made an upsell for 95. Total 175 bucks. I'm promoting this with Google Ads. My Google Ads account right here. Only received 13 clicks today, 405 impressions, and just targeting a few keywords. If you're watching this on YouTube, then just let me know in the comment section if you want me to continue to do case studies for you guys, and just like, subscribe, and comment.